Hello guys, today video is about Kim Kardashian reveals that she rewore a dress for over a decade ago to her sister Courtney third wedding to Travisberg in Italy, but it made it more modern for the gold ceremony. We just need to close this video. As you can see here, Kim Kardashian reveals she rewore a dress as Rate for You for title. The 41 years old star explained that she picked out Dolce Gabbana that she first wore and purchased it for herself back in 2011. She shared the dress details and how she made it look more modern for country wedding of a series post uploaded to her Instagram story on Saturday. As you can see here, there's a cut in the dress and all stuff together. I'm not interested in this. But the fun fact about this book is the way that I know, I guess, show you in my archive last week episode of The Kardashian showroom photo she posted in her Instagram story. I have every page photographed on the app. As you might see here, more picture. She wrote that information with in white lettering and a photo of holding that an old hand before the wedding. And yeah, this is for Dolce Gabbana, glamour, and all stuff. So she continued on her with her on her explanation on the next photo. She stood on the red carpet even at the event back in 2011. The dress I wore in the wedding was Dolce Gabbana. I purchased it at Bear Grove Goodman, um, and she wore in a glamour award. She continued with photo with the model. As you see here, more picture of her in the wedding ceremony. This is more picture but not related to her. So our subject is make end here.